Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be show you how to change Facebook location settings. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open your Facebook application, then click on this three-line icon and scroll down, then click on settings and privacy, settings, and scroll down. Then you will see this option location. Click on it and click on go to device settings, Android settings, and now click on permissions, and here you will get this location service. So you can turn off your location from here, you can turn on location from here. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.